What if I told you that a single click could replace 5 manual steps in After Effects? The latest Camera 3D Toolkit update just dropped, version 3.4, and it changes the way you animate. Let me show you exactly what's new. If you've never heard of this plugin, I'll leave the download link in the description. Go grab it. So, what changed? As soon as you open the panel, you'll notice 2 brand new buttons in the movement section, BG Fit and Cut. These sound simple, but trust me, they save a ton of time. Let me walk you through both with real examples. Alright, let's start with BG Fit. I've imported an image here and placed a background behind it. Say I want to create a simple camera animation. The camera starts over here on the image and slowly pans to the center. With Camera 3D Toolkit, creating that animation is dead simple. I select my image layer, hit target, and boom, the animation is built automatically. Let's preview it. There we go. But here's the problem. After the camera moves, my background no longer covers the full composition. There's a visible gap, and normally you'd have to go into Transform, manually scale up the background, tweak it, check it, tweak it again. It's tedious. Instead, I just select the background layer and click BG Fit. One click, and the background snaps to the exact size it needs to be. No guesswork, no wasted time. Let's play the animation again. Perfect. Full coverage, smooth motion. Done. Now let's talk about cut. You know how in After Effects, splitting a layer means hitting Ctrl plus Shift plus D? It works, but it's slow, maybe 5 seconds every time. And when you're deep in an edit, every click counts. With this new cut button, you just position the playhead where you want the split and click cut. Instantly, every layer is sliced right at that point. Here's where it gets even better. If you only want to cut a specific layer, say just the camera, select that layer first, then hit cut. It splits only what you selected. Need another cut? Move the playhead, click again. It's like pressing C in Premiere Pro. Fast, intuitive, and automatic. No more Ctrl plus Shift plus D. Just click and cut. Next up, the focus section got a nice upgrade. Before, you needed 2 slides to add a depth of field blur. Now it's down to 1. Less clutter, same result. Let me show you. I'll duplicate a layer a few times so we have something to work with. 4 layers, each positioned differently. I select them all, hit target, and the plugin builds the animation automatically. Now, to add depth of field, I just click the blur option. 1 click. Watch what happens. The layer in focus stays perfectly sharp and everything else falls off into a smooth blur. That sense of depth is instant. Previously, this took 2 separate steps. Now it's 1. Small change, big difference in your workflow. Here's something a lot of you have been asking for. In older versions, when you clicked Quick, the plugin created a camera for the entire timeline. But what if you only need a camera move on one specific section? Now you can. Just select the layers you want to animate, click Quick, and the plugin creates a camera and a null, parented together only for that section. The rest of your timeline stays untouched. Let me demonstrate. I select these layers, hit Quick, then target to set the animation. Let's preview. The camera only moves during this segment. Everything before and after is completely independent. And if you do want a camera for the full timeline, the classic behavior, just don't select any layer. Click Quick with nothing selected, and it sets up the camera across the entire composition, exactly like before. Want even more control? Click Setup instead of Quick, and you can manually position your layers in 3D space before animating. Total flexibility. That's version 3.4 in a nutshell. BG Fit, Cut, improved focus, and scoped cameras. Every update makes this plugin faster and more intuitive. I'm also working on a full, in-depth training course covering every single feature of Camera 3D Toolkit. Stay tuned for that. The download link is in the description, and last time I checked, it was 52% off. That won't last forever, so go grab it while you can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.